This plant is commonly called as croton, and botanical name is some new name has been given to it, and it is actually from the Far East, that is, I think Malaysia, Indonesia, and all. And I think probably in the colonial times it was imported into India, and large, in almost every village and city garden, you will find this Codiaem, I think it's called, the botanical name. Very colorful, hardy, doesn't get any diseases. It has numerous good points. However, it's not a native plant, so it doesn't support your local biodiversity, birds and bees and all that, hardly. And in biodiversity gardens, native plants gardens and all, this is undesirable plant. Better to find some other native plant of the with similar color and all if you want in a garden. And moreover, it's a toxic plant, it's a poisonous, and if children seeing the colorful leaves and all, if they put it in their mouth, or if a pet eats it and all, you have to rush them to hospital because it contains some toxic stuff in it. So why keep a alien toxic plant in your garden? Why not keep some nice herb and a native plant that supports your biodiversity? That's the question. And if you decide that you don't want these toxic plants and alien plants in your garden, you can get rid of it and dispose it off safely somewhere. However, I have not seen it going wild anywhere. So that's one good redeeming feature. But still, in a poor country like India, we can use our water and sunlight and manure and all on some native species rather than some alien one.